just have a fight there. Yeah. So, is this how a metal fight fights? Okay. So, we'll win on this one. Don't say that the winner will still be that orange one. You know. Okay. And... Wow. Wow. I'm so indulged in Beyblade X and I get so boring on this game. Because yeah, it's so boring for me. Okay, so yeah, that's our Astro S Pegasus 105RF. And I don't know who is the owner of this one. And you can see they call it Manipulator. But yeah, again, this is a bootleg or a fake one. So yeah, just for collection and just for fun. Okay, not for those having competitions. Okay, so if you want just to play it, then have it. But if you don't want it, then don't want it, don't get it. Okay, so this is it, your Astro S Pegasus 105RF. I don't know if it's good or not, but yeah, I will still go for the Beyblade X. Yeah, I bought this before the Beyblade X comes out because I want to try and to start Beyblade. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell to be informed for our next video. Yeah, and this is from Rapidity. Okay, the very famous faker of Beyblade on the past. And I think until now. Yeah, that's it. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out. Bye.